Rajendra mentions Karikala as the one who flew in a plane which is harder than mine. Let's see that full song in Tamil and then see the translation.
மனத்திலும் கடியதாகிய சிறந்த விமானத்தில் ஏறி வானவெளியில் இயங்கியவனும் காவிரிக்கு கரை கண்டவனும் பகைவர்க்கு கூற்றுவனை ஒத்தவனும் ஆகியவன் எவனோ அத்தகைய கரிகாலன் என்னும் மன்னன் அம்மரபிலே தோன்றினான்.
The meaning of the song is, a king named Karikalan appeared in Chola dynasty, who operated the best plane, which is harder than the mind and flew in the sky, who was built the banks of Kaveri river, who was like Lord Yama to the enemies. If we look deeply, we can understand that the plane is not an ordinary plane. Rajendra Chola clearly mentions that King Karikala operated the plane which is harder than the mind, means which is faster than the mind. Which means that plane is not an ordinary plane, it is a jet. Yes, our ancestor Karikala successfully operated the world's best and fastest jet plane before 2200 years back. But, unfortunately still we Indians are reading right brothers invented the world's first aeroplane.